Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. In this video, you will learn how to optimize your social media strategy to better reach your target audience on Instagram. The goal of this project is to improve and optimize your Instagram business profile in order to attract users and your target group. An Instagram business account allows you to advertise your business on the social media platform Instagram by publishing and sharing ads and photos with your target group. Today you will learn various techniques that will help you improve your Instagram business profile to successfully advertise your brand on Instagram. We will therefore access and use the graphic design platform Canva. Users of social media platforms are constantly overwhelmed by the amount of social media content they see every day. In order to make your business stand out and attract users, creativity is key. Let's take a look at your completed project. On your screen you can see right now an Instagram business profile. Today you will learn how to make adjustments to optimize your Instagram business profile to attract and better reach your target audience. Then you will learn how to use the graphic design from Canva to create Instagram stories and how to edit your photos in order to make them stand out when publishing them on Instagram. Let's start. You should be logged into your Instagram business account and see your profile on your screen. If you haven't logged in yet, please pause the video now to complete this step. The Instagram website should already automatically load. At this time I'd like to point out that the use of the social media platform Instagram on a computer is limited. You can log into your account and edit your profile. However, photos can only be uploaded and edited in the mobile app. Accessing Instagram on your computer gives you the possibility to edit your username, your bio, email addresses, passwords and certain account settings. In case you ever decide to delete your Instagram account, this will also be possible on the desktop version. You can also like content, write comments, and follow other users when accessing Instagram on your computer. If there is any additional step that you would like to complete throughout this project, please use your smartphone and access the Instagram app on your phone. Let's start by clicking on Edit Profile. Here you will now see your profile in Instagram. You can choose your profile name right on the top. It can consist of up to 30 characters. For your Instagram business profile, using your business name as profile name is always a good idea. You can also choose a short slogan associated with your brand. When followers use the search bar, Instagram will actually filter results based on username and profile name. Your profile name is not equivalent to your username, which you will see right here on top. Feel free to pause the video at any time to make adjustments to your profile. Next, we will focus on our profile photo. You can insert your business logo or your best known product over here to attract your target audience attention. Keep in mind that the image will mostly be seen on mobile screens. It is a pretty small image and therefore it is important that users can identify what's in the picture right away. Your profile picture needs to have a format of at least 110 times 110 pixels. If you registered through Facebook, Instagram will automatically apply the same profile photo from your Facebook business page. However, you can of course edit and replace it by simply clicking on it. Instagram allows you to add one link to your bio. Here you can link, for example, your company's website. Make sure you have that included. Also, adding your location to your bio will help users locate the location of your business. Pause the video in between to see what your bio actually looks like when users open your page. If you need inspiration, access the Instagram profiles of companies that inspire you or of your competitors. Take a look at their profile and check out their bio. What information have they included? Here I have shown you a couple of different profiles. Feel free to continue your search. Thanks for watching this video.